Yes, so as you can see, these are the balls. So basically you'll be wetting your hands and so the rice does not stick to your hand a lot. And then after wetting your hands, you can nicely mash the rice. And after mashing the rice, you'll be taking both your hands and then you'll be cupping both your hands together so that it forms a strong ball. So make it such that after putting on the ground, it should not just splatter. It should just bounce and fall. So this is how a ball would usually look. It can be from a size, usually it's recommended in the agamas. For our better understanding, let's take the size of a golf ball. That's the size of a usual bali ball. So now we'll be beginning the bali rituals.